Contain 2 points. Pass. Rebound by number 15. Score 52 points. Arman to Barba. Barba shoot. Rebound number 15. Yes. Go. Pass it to 33. Pass it back. 2 points. Red team. Arman bringing the ball. Pass it to
Okay, Rennie has the ball, goes to Rick. Rennie tries to fake, goes for the drive, give it up to Eric. Eric Rennie's again dribbling the ball all the way to Randy. Back to Eric, drives against Armin to Rick. Foul on number 12, Ronald Kuching. 12. 2 shots for Rick.
2 points lang daw. 2 points lang.
2 shots for Rick. Got it. 1 shot. Second shot for Rick. Good. The score is 6-2 in favor of blue. Okay, bad pass for the blue team. Red team takes possession. Eric dribbles the ball all the way to steal. Armin runs the fast break. Armin stops for the 3. Rebound Rick. Back to Rennie. Rennie dribbles the ball, gives up to Bani, yes. Rick on the drive, he got it. Rick on the magical shot. Game. It's 8-2 to Ronald scoring. So Ronald has all the points for the blue team. 4-8. Okay, Eric bringing down the ball. We have 18 minutes to go in the first half. Ready? Okay, foul. Foul on Dark, number 20. Darwin's first foul. Darwin's first foul. Okay, inbound for the red team. To Randy, back to Eric. Fakes. Give it back to Rennie. Eric wide open for the 3. He got it. 2 points out for Eric. 11-4. Ronald scores again. 6-11. The red team on the attack. To Giovanni, who's on the front court. Back to Rennie. Ready for the drive. For the layup. No good. Loses the ball, Eric. Eric dribbling the ball. Going straight past to Randy. Bad pass. Blue ball. Okay, Mr. Barba inbounds to Armin all the way to Royal for another layup. 10-11. Oh, 8-11, sorry. So it's a 3-point lead by the red team. Ready, set for the three-pointer over. Red ball, red ball. Ready dribbles, kicks it up to Eric. Eric fires the three-pointer. Got it. Eric Pascual with another three-point shot. It's 14-8. 14-8. Darwin for three. He got it. Darwin for 3 points. Okay, again, it's Randy handling the ball. Randy looking around. Randy to Rick. Back to Eric. Stolen. Lando Allen all alone by himself for the sure basket. Okay, 1 point lead for the red team. We got 15 minutes on the first quarter, first half. Okay, Eric dribbling the ball back to Rennie. Rennie spotting up to Giovanni, trying to force inside. Passes to Rick. Rick comes out. 3 seconds, 3 seconds. Blue ball. Sub. Okay, sub. Wilfred Moran comes in for Giovanni. Sub. Go. Okay, balls on play for the blue team. Trailing by 1 point. Barba on the left wing. Back to Armin. Fires a three-pointer short. Bars got the ball back. Lando fires. No good. Barba gets the ball back. Barba passes to Armin. Makes for the drive. Goes for the jump shot for 2. Blue team ahead by 1 point. 15-14. Okay, Wilfred dribbling the ball. Back to Eric. Eric takes the pass off. Oh, bad pass. Side ball for the blue team. Timeout for the red team. Timeout for the red team. Timeout for the red team. Okay, blue ball. 14 minutes. First half. Blue team up by 1 point. 15-14.
Sunod sa linggo.
Number 15, Randy, who gets the personal foul. Randy. Okay, Ronald on the free throw line.
Pero may titid lagi. May titid. Ano lang to? Sakit lagi.
Okay, second shot for Ronald. Rick grabs the ball. Wilfred dribbling the ball. Pass to Randy. Right. Back to Wilfred. Wide open. Eric for 3. Short. Randy grabs the ball. Rebound. Armin steals the ball. Dribbling. Pass everybody. Oh, bad pass. 12 minutes to go, and the blue team up by 1 point. Sub. Randy comes out for Dennis. Okay, Rick dribbles the ball to Rennie. Rennie looking around and finding the open guy. Cross court to Fred. Back to Eric. Wide open, he drives. Rennie back pass to Dennis for the shot. Oh, missed it. Wilfred grabs the ball and takes the three-pointer. Misses. Armin dribbling the ball wide open to Romel Barba for the jumper. Misses. Commissioner's got the ball. He's trying to shoot the three-pointer. Oh, he decided not to. Back to Armin. Foul called on Dennis. Number 6. Dennis. Number 6. Pinol for his first foul. Okay, Ronald on the drive. Mrs. grabs the rebound, follows it up, passes. Eric grabs the ball. That's breaking. Wilfred fakes and fires a three-pointer. He misses. Ronald grabs the ball. To Silver. Wide open to Barba for the shot. Oh, good. Barba gets it back. Pass to Commissioner. Yes, he got it. Stop. Get ball. Stop. Get ball. Okay, blue team up by 3 points. Wilfred tries for three-pointer. Oh, good. Already rebound to Dennis. Dennis wide open. He got it. Dennis, number 6. Nice rebound by Rennie. Time up. Okay, pasok na. Time up. Next. Armin for 3. Not good. Wilfred dribbling the ball. Yes, Rennie. Pass to Dennis. Oh, got it. A nice pass to Wilfred. Short. Rennie gets the rebound and scores. Rennie scores. It's a close game. Time out. Who's foul? 14. Foul number 14. Time out. Blue. Yes, pasok ka na. Okay. 18-17. Blue team. Red team up by 1 point. The new players coming in. Our MVP, Joey Papato. Barba on the jump. Got it. Oh, no too soon. Joey dribbling the ball. Wilfred wide open for the 3. Got it. Wilfred got it. 3-point shot. Number 14. Wilfred. 28. Blue team ahead by 2 points. Close game. Mike fires for 3. He got it. Mike Garcia for 3 goals. Joey gets a screen. Fires to Wilfred. Wide open for 3. Goal. Mike gets the ball. Red ball. Red ball. Red ball. Red ball. Red ball. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. The Rick gets the ball. Pass to Giovanni. Giovanni, hard drive. Overshoot the mark. Joey got it. Scores. Joey Bacato. Bacato, Joey. Joey scores. Mike can get a fix. Mike to Silver. Silver. Dribbling. Dribbling. Oh, wild pass. Wild pass. Red ball. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. First half. Okay, Wilfred bringing down the ball. Calling the play. Wide open for Giovanni. Pass. Interference by Mike Garcia. Inbound to Joey. Nice screen. Wilfred wide open for 3. He got it. Nice pass. Nice play. Nice pass. 3 points. 31 all. Mike dribbling against Joey. Mike pass to Commissioner. Commissioner dribbling around in the 3-point area. Pass to Darwin. Got it. Darwin. Nice shot, Darwin. Face up, Joey. Mike to Dennis. Captain. Dennis got the basket. Commissioner races. Joey dribbling. Wide open is Wilfred. Misses. Silver side steps. Made the basket. Joey. Stop and pop. Got it for Joey Bacato. Next dead ball. There's the substitution. Next dead ball. Next dead ball. 35 ball, we have a close game. Joe, Mike fires for 3, misses. Giovanni rebound. Wilfred wide open for 3. No good. Joey rebound. Follows up left-handed. Count for the drive. Nice pass to Eric. Conversion. Nice pass, Randy. 41 all. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Lago open. Miss. 20 seconds to go. 20 seconds. All the way. Okay. Okay. 10 seconds, guys. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 8 seconds. 8 seconds. Okay, guys, we just switched the score. Second half. Okay, blue ball. Lando, dribbling. Goes to Mike, back to Lando. Screen here, Lando goes for the drive. Third. Nice defense, Louis. Foul. Number 7. Joey, number 7. First, Joey's second foul. Lando inbounds the ball. Armin drives, loses the ball. Joey gets the rebound, dribbling the ball all the way. Foul on number 27. Lando. Lando 2 fouls. Joey on the free throw line. Blue team up by 2 points. First shot for Joey. Good. 42-43. Red team up by 1 point. Joey's second free throw. Good. Score tied at 43. Lando all the way to Armin. Wide open for the 3. All too long. Too strong. Traveling. Red blue ball. Blue ball. Traveling on Giovanni. Okay, Bart by inbounds to Mike. Got it. Foul on number 33. Foul 20. 33, sorry. Okay, Mike for the bonus free throw. Mike misses the free throw. Rick rebounds. Rick to Giovanni. Back to Joey. Joey dribbling. Pops for 3 points. Misses. Mike rebounds. All the way to Barba. Oh, too long. The pass was too long. Board 3:45. Blue team up by 2 points. Rick dribbling the ball to Joey. Joey drives. Pass to Giovanni Page. Goes for the shot. Eric wide open for 3. Misses. Mike rebounds the ball. Mike dribbling. Mike all the way. Mike all the way. Oh! Wow, missed opportunity. Rick all the way to Joey. Joey drives. All the way. Number 77. Big Joey for 2 shots. Joey makes the first shot. 45-45. Joey's second shot. All the way. Good. The score is tied 45 all the way to Lando. Lando fakes. Oh. Ball to red team. Birds dribbling the ball. Birds all the way to Rick. Rick pass to Joey. Fakes. Pass all the way. Rick got it. Red ball. 17 minutes. Second half. Rick fires. Got it. Nice shot. Eric Pascual. For 4. We're up by 2. All the way to Lando. Lando fakes. To Mike. Mike. Foul number 33. Rick Lopez. 2 shots for Mike Garcia. Mike first free throw. Got it. Second free throw for Mike Garcia. 47-46. All tied up 47 all. Joey dribbling the ball. Next dead ball, timeout on red. Giovanni all foul on number 21, Barba. Timeout. 16 minutes. Timeout, red. Next, one more free throw. Yeah, next dead ball. Timeout. Next dead ball. Rick Giovanni for the free throw. You got it. Timeout, red. Okay, second half.
My teammate.
Okay, blue ball. 48-47. Red team up by 1 point. Mike dribbling, Mike looking. Mike. Mike fires for 3. Misses. Lando rebounds. Fires. Got it. Lando scores. It's a mid-back game. 48-49. Wilfred dribbling the ball. Wilfred. Stolen by Lando. Lando back to Arvin. Foul by Rennie. Rennie, what's your number? Number 5. Sub. Randy comes in for first. Armin misses the first one. Okay, Armin second free throw. Got it. 51-48. Red team up by 3 points. Joey dribbling against Mike. Mike defense, right. All the way. Wow. Ball on Barba, 21. On the dragging Joey. Sub. Players in, players out. Silver in for Barba. Joey, first free throw. Money. Joey, second free throw. Got it. 50-51. Blue team up by 1 point. Lando dribbling. Lando looking to Mike. Mike all the way to Ronald. Foul on Randy, number 15. Randy foul. Randy foul. Ronald makes his first free throw. Sub. Beginning mo ulit. Mamaya. Ronald ulit. Sub. Mag-sub dapat dito agad. 50-53. Blue team up by 3 points. Eric dribbling. Goes to Joey. Joey to Randy. Pass to Randy. Nice swipe by Armin. Randy to Eric. Eric to Wilfred. Nice defense by Commissioner. To Eric. Wide open for the 3. Silver all the way. To Mike. Mike sets up the ball. Mike, nice curl. Mike Garcia for 2. And Joey fires for 3. Short. Randy rebound. The business. Eric. Foul. Number 11, Armin. Okay. Sub. Number 5. Jenny, sub for Giovanni. Sub na. Sub. Eric scores. Wait. Eric, one more free throw. Sub. Mike. Sub. Players in, players out. Okay. 52-55. Blue up by 3. Armin on the drive. Overshoots. Joey grabs the rebound. 3-on-1. Joey to Wilfred. Wide open. 3 points for Wilfred. Short. Nice rebound by Dennis to Joey. 54-55. Bad pass. 54-55. 54-55. Joey dribbling. Joey has the ball. Joey Randy. Drive. Spins. Loses the ball. Dennis gets it. Drive. Darwin, 3 fouls. Dennis, free throw, first shot. Misses. Dennis, one more free throw. Misses. One more. Lane violation. One more free throw for Dennis. Lane violation. Dennis, next free throw. Third free throw. Blue ball. Lane violation, red. 9 minutes. Blue up by 1. Armin, dribbling the ball. Armin, dribbling, looking. Silver, dribbling. Pass to Ronald, right. Wow. 16. Fine. Red team. Ronald for 2 shots. 8 minutes, 1 point lead for the blue team. Ronald first free throw. Oh, trickles out. 1 more free throw for Ronald. Ronald, 1 shot to go. Got it. 2-point lead by the blue team. We're down 8 minutes. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Wilfred dribbling. Joey. Joey fakes drive. Joey all the way. Not counted. Not counted. On the floor. On the floor. On the floor. Technical foul. Technical foul, right? Got it. Technical foul number 7, Joey Bacando. Okay, 1 free throw for Commissioner. Commissioner on the free throw line. He makes it. Okay. Inbound for red team. Red team inbounding the ball. Hold. Inbound. Randy fakes. Right, loses the ball. Ronald dribbling all the way. Ronald all the way. Misses. Joey gets the ball. Ronald. Ball back to the blue team. Sub. Clear out. Clear in. All your teammates. All your teammates. Sub. All your teammates. Please.
Brother,
He's at the fork skidding, actually.
I thought you were going skiing or something.
That's tomorrow.
Ronald. Armin. Nice pass to the
Are you guys going 14?
foul on
If you
Rick.
want to go,
Oh, shoot.
am I in the way? Am I in the way?
Go to McDonald's later.
But yeah, you want to go?
Red team in penalty situation. Every foul will be a free throw for red team. Armin shots, got it. 60-54. Joey dribbling. Joey gets the ball. Joey gets the screen. Back to Rick. Rick fires for 3. Overshoots the mark. Red ball. 54-60. Blue team up by 6 points. 4 minutes to go. Rick underneath. Armin to Barba. Barba holding the ball. Gives back to Armin. Mike. Mike to Ronald. Ronald holds the ball. Flies pass to Armin. He got it. Nice shot. Nice pass. Nice pass. Nice shot. 10-point lead by the blue team. Joey Herman drives. Wow. Foul Barba. Barb 3 foul.
Yeah, the announcer and everything.
2 shots for Joey.
Yeah, it is. You see the
Oh,
look?
yeah.
Look at
I didn't see it.
look.
I was driving.
Jump ball.
Joey last shot.
Jump ball?
Got it. 6:56-64. Armin left wide open. Scores. Barba for the rebound. Oh, Eric rebounds. Really dribbles the ball all the way to Wilfred. Oh, stolen. The run out. Easy
My
basket.
goodness.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. 10-point lead. Okay, time out. Next set ball. Next set ball. Time out. Time out. Time
I know, I thought they were going to win.
out. Yes, time out. Time out. Time out. Time out.
Friday team.
Really?
The lead is 12. Running time.
I'll even check it out. I think he's here now, but it's good.
What happened there? Huh? Someone tried jumping?
Yeah.
I heard you smoke them.
Nice shot. They're up by 10. Coming up at 1. Joey. Against Armin. Armin. Dribbling. Wow.
It's just bent. Look.
Joey 4 fouls. Okay, two free throws for Armin. The lead is 9 points. 9-point lead. One more free throw.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. Who you guys play?
See, he said it's a Friday league. This is a turn out
Legal screen, number 6, Dennis. Legal screen, number 6. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. 1 minute.
Corner. Corner.
Mike for 3. Short. Aldo gets the rebound. 40 seconds. Lando wide open. Pass to Mike. Nice pass to Lawrence. Lawrence, good pass. Pass to one shot to go. Yes. Lando scores 70-59. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Rick for 3. Short. Dennis rebound. Foul 170, 20 seconds.
Hey,
Get ready, next game.
my guy has the pink socks and the red panel.
15 seconds. Nice game, guys.